Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SURAYA binti NOORSHARIMI. My matric number is AF180184, and in this video, I will briefly explain the topic of contaminant transport and fate. The major processes affecting the contaminants can be grouped into three categories. The first one is transport process, the second one is chemical mass transfer process, and the third one is biological process. The first one is the transport process. We have advection, diffusion, and dispersion. These processes control the extent of contaminant migration in the subsurface. Advection is the movement of dissolved solute or contaminant with flowing groundwater. It is also known as the additive transport or convection, which refers to the contaminant movement by flowing water in response to a hydraulic gradient. The second one is diffusion. Diffusion, also known as a molecular diffusion, refers to the movement of contaminants under a chemical concentration gradient from an area of greater concentration to an area of lower concentration. It also can occur when the fluid is not flowing or is flowing in the direction opposite to the contaminant movement. The third one is dispersion. Groundwater flow through different porous media occurs at a variable rates due to the arrangement of particles in the subsurface. As contaminated groundwater travels through the stratum, the fluid does not all travel at the same velocity, and as a result, mixing occurs during the flow path. This mixing is termed as a mechanical dispersion. Next, we have chemical mass transfer processes. It includes sorption and desorption, dissolution and precipitation, oxidation and reduction, acid-base reaction, volatilization, and hydrolysis. The third process is the biological process. Biodegradation and oxidation reduction reaction that is mediated by microorganisms is the biological process that must be considered for organic contaminants. In general, an organic compound is oxidized by losing electrons by an electron acceptor, which is reduced where it gains electrons. This can occur in the following two ways: aerobic biodegradation and anaerobic biodegradation. Lastly, we have biochemical processes. It consists of biodegradation and abiotic reaction. This process transforms solute mass into something else. For biodegradation, the transformation mediated by microbes causes the breakdown of organic compounds and mediates the transportation of metals, mostly bacteria for the aerobic and anaerobic, and fungi for the aerobic. It is accomplished by enzyme, a protein that acts as a catalyst. Last but not least is the abiotic reaction. It can be done through precipitation, reduction reaction, hydrolysis, and decay. The biochemical process most commonly occurs in the water phase. It also occurs in the air and the soil phase. And that's it for this topic. Thank you.